How to complete this year and how to complete chapter 2 in this first we're going to complete everything. Masa si Baday gumari ko na so this is chapter 2. Chapter 2. And we're going to complete. So don't use anything else. Hit the button wow. Hit don't hit the command wow. And we go to this slide. If you want this slide, this slide na lang. I wanna go this slide. We cannot go in here because we're gonna die. So this is a code. If you can put this code, if you know this, the clock, like how don't mind my outfit because it's not good. Dang, 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 dang. Stop. Namatay ka na? Namatay ka? Sorry, namatay. Sorry. So, malapit na tayo. Malapit na pala tayo. Sorry guys, I'm not good at English. I can Tagalog. So, malapit na pala tayo. Ang bagay.
Oh, buhit na doy. Ode.
So, this is the boss fight. I so we're completing chapter 2 and the boss fight. So na-unlock na natin yung code at na-unlock na din natin yung silver. Don't mind my outfit ha, kasi hindi ito maganda. Bad yun. Flip. Promise tomorrow, nobody promised tomorrow. I'm gonna run out of last night. What is last night? It's the world. Ang OA ni Ben. Escape pala. Hindi ako marunong. Uy! Hindi na. Magaling ako dyan din. Huwag mo kong gamay dami dyan. Hindi mo ko ano dyan din. Lumaktay sama. Hindi mo ko hindi mo ko maano yung taklo. Marunong ako nito. Hindi ko makabay Santa Claus na ako.
It's too late.
Okay.
Grabe, buhi pa siya. Nagpapilip awas. Huwag siya bitin.
Try and keep up.
Cannot practice that, bro, bitch. Huh? Wow,